step up from our popular profile package sets, the Profile Platinum package set for men delivers the ultimate combination of performance, durability, comfort, and convenience. Along with the number 5 fairway wood, 5 hybrid, and iron 6-through sand wedge, the Profile Platinum set includes an upgraded, high-end, titanium composite PVD black finish driver, which both reduces glare and enhances durability. The enhanced package set also includes a lightweight stand bag and 3 premium head covers, all crafted with premium fabrics and components. If you're looking to stand apart from other beginners, Profile Platinum is an excellent choice, and it's only available at Amazon.com.
Hi, Aaron Oberholzer here at the beautiful Terra Vita Golf Club, and I'm working with you guys on the C3i. I want to thank you guys for purchasing the C3i. I hope it's working well for you. And here we're in a bunker, and I'm going to go through a bunch of different scenarios with all 3 lofts of the C3i, the 55, the 59, and the 65. And we're going to start with a bunker shot with the 65, and then we're going to work around. I'm going to show you guys different ways you can use each wedge in different situations around the greens and all the way back out to, well, for me, the 55 degree goes about 100 yards with a very comfortable golf swing. So I wanted to show you guys, so we're going to start off in the bunker and trying to use all 3 lofts for this shot. And as you can see, the bunker's pretty flat, there's not a high lip, so you've got a lot of options, which is what the C3i and those 3 lofts are built for. Giving you lots of options to do whatever you want to do. So this shot in particular right here, I've got a little ridge that I've got to come up. So right there, that gives you a little bit more options. I can fly it on top and run it. I can fly it to the kind of the middle of the ridge, or I can kind of fly it into the ridge and run it. And so I'm going to show you right off the bat what the 65 can do if you want to use the 65 on this shot. This one I'm going to fly a little bit more towards the pin. I'm not going to land it as short. Now again, with the C3i, you don't have to open the blade. You keep the blade square, keep your feet square. You can dig in a little bit if you want, but you don't have to open up and do anything crazy like you do with a conventional wedge. And make the swing, an inch behind the ball, maybe your weight a little bit on the left side, and make the swing. Okay, not bad. I can go ahead and swing harder at it if I wanted to. Now, I'm gonna hit the exact same shot with the 59 degree, okay? Now again, I can get away with this because I really don't have a high lip, so it gives you lots of options. Even if the lip was a little higher, it still wouldn't be bad for the 65 or probably the 59. Same thing though. Same thing. I'm going to line up square to where I want to start the ball. I'm going to hit an inch or 2 behind the ball, and I'm just going to make a nice smooth swing right through the sand. Weight's a little bit on the left side. Make the swing. I mean, it's really easy, guys. I mean, it really doesn't take hardly any effort at all. Now, the last one, this is the trickiest shot, but one that I think could be valuable for you guys for the longer running bunker shots. This is a 55 degree. So now you've seen the 65, you've seen the 59, and then finally here is the 55. And this one, you don't need a big swing at all, but this is great for when you don't have a lot of lip at all like I have here, and you just want to basically chip it out of the bunker and get it running when you have a lot of room like this. You don't have to take a big swing, and obviously the smaller the swing you can take, the least or the less ability you have to hit it poorly, in my opinion. So just remember, ball's in the middle of your stance to just a ball forward or so, weight's a little on your left side, and you just set up square and you swing. Not bad, about 6-7 feet. So you're giving yourself opportunity. So it takes practice with these wedges. Obviously everything's gonna take practice, but these are gonna take the least amount of practice for you to get good at all 3 of those shots. If you had traditional wedges, if I had a traditional wedge in here from these lofts, I'd have a hard time duplicating that pattern right first thing in the morning without any warm-ups, just like you saw me do here. It's very much an easy wedge to hit in all situations, and the easiest is definitely out of the bunkers. Get nice high loft, you can hit it high, you can hit it medium with the 59, you can hit it low with the 55, you can run it, you can stop it. the possibilities around the greens are endless with the C3i.
See this? It's called a Moonwood, and it has a space shuttle-inspired, ultra-low profile and aerodynamic design that reduces air resistance. An extremely low center of gravity that means more stability and less twisting through impact, leading to shots that go straight and true. Its unique club face design encourages consistent, high launches that carry trouble and hold greens. And its launch maximized shaft delivers higher shots with more control, and its Super Glide sole delivers less resistance with the turf, with more comfort and more control. Every one of these engineering and design choices, and many more, were made because of an obsession to create the most reliable, most consistent, and flat-out best fairway club in the universe for real golfers. But don't just take our word for it.
With the Moonwood, my dispersion was so tight, I try to swing a little harder, swing a little easier. Usually, I'll pull one here, blow one by there, and these were all right where I could play them. My bad shots were pretty darn good.
With the Moonwood, I hit it about 15 feet higher and 10 yards further. And it was easy to step up and hit it.
The Moonwood for me was so easy because I hit it so repeatedly in the air, either straight or with a little bit of draw. Ended up landing in a dispersion pattern that was, for me, great. It was so much better than something that I would normally have or even expect to have hitting my 4-iron. So I was tickled to death.
Using this club, I was quite shocked the fact that I would hit the ball higher and straighter. It seemed like every time I swung the club, I'd get a straight trajectory off the ball. It was something I didn't expect, and it made me feel like a better golfer. So consistency was one of the big things that I recognized with this. I think I had 20 shots, I had one bad shot.
Trying to decide on your first golf set or first complete set of golf clubs is a tough choice. There's a lot out there. I want to walk you through a set that I would highly recommend you consider first. The PRE Complete Golf Set by Pinemeadow includes all the clubs you need to get out on the course, whether it's your first round or you're a mid-handicapper. It's one of our best-selling complete sets. A couple of the features that really stand out in this set is the clean look and the finish on all the clubs. And it starts with the balanced design of the 10.5 degree titanium enhanced driver, the 3-wood, as well as the 21 degree hybrid. The hybrid is your 3-iron distance, and then the 4 through pitching wedge stainless steel irons cover all the remaining shots in between. The irons have a wide cavity back design that really increases the sweet spot and allows you to make clean contact with each strike. The short irons, the 8, 9, and pitching wedge in this set are great. I found them to be consistent and on target with each of the distances. The putter is our nicely weighted pre-mallet putter with a single center line to align even the toughest putts. The woods and hybrids come with head covers. The dual strap bag has all the features golfers like in a carry bag, and the stand claps is easily to store away or carry on a golf cart. So putting it all together, the PRE 16-piece set offers tremendous value. So grab one, get out and play.
Hey, what's up everyone? I'm AJ from Callaway Golf, here to talk about the new Rogue irons. For everyone looking for a max performance iron option that delivers the very best in distance, accuracy, and playability, you're gonna wanna put these at the top of your list. Rogue irons feature a premium multi-material construction and combine new tech with enhancements to our already industry-leading 360 face cup that made us the #1 iron brand in golf. That 360 face cup employs a flexible rim around the perimeter that flexes and releases at impact to increase ball speed, even on mishits. Our new urethane microspheres, yes, you heard that right, microspheres, dampen vibration on contact to improve sound and feel without compromising ball speed. Their substantially sized head with a medium top line and medium sole width make them extremely versatile, accurate, and easy to hit. Premium stock shaft offerings include True Temper Stepless XP 95 in steel and Aldila Synergy in graphite. I mean, as far as game improvement irons go, these really are the creme de la creme. Extremely long, playable, accurate, great sound and feel. They'll make the game so much fun for so many golfers.